The Basal Drench application requires a modest investment in equipment, which is one of its advantages over soil injection. To perform this application, we recommend you purchase a mixing container with a slow flow top for pouring, 250 and 1,000 milliliter graduated cylinders or graduated beakers, a shovel or ergonomic trowel, and a spill protection tray. You will also need a current Rainbow Tree Care rate card for accurate mixing. Before measuring the Cambistat, prepare the tree by digging a shallow trench around the root collar that is a minimum of 2 inches deep and 3 inches wide. Dig 6 inches deep if there is a potential of Cambistat solution moving to other plants, or if the soil is heavy clay or compacted. Keep the excavated soil at the edge of the trench. If there are long root flares, only excavate 18 inches out from the trunk before crossing over to the other side of the flare. An air spade can also be used to create a trench for basal drench of Cambistat. Check the rate card to determine how much Cambistat and water is needed for the treatment. Be sure to factor in any dose reductions that may be necessary. For basal drench, mix 11 parts water and 1 part Cambistat to make a stock solution. Before mixing and pouring Cambistat, follow the label directions for safety by putting on rubber gloves. Begin by adding about half of the water to the reservoir. If you are mixing a stock solution of ready-to-use mixture that will not be entirely used at once, add a suspension agent at this point. When in doubt about whether Cambistat has settled out of suspension, shake the reservoir vigorously before application. Next, shake the Cambistat bottle vigorously and then carefully measure the appropriate amount of Cambistat needed for the tree. Then add the Cambistat to the reservoir. Measure and add the remaining water to the reservoir. Be sure to use some of this water to rinse the beaker or cylinder that was used to pour the Cambistat. If the soil on site is very hard and difficult for liquid to penetrate, a non-ionic organosilicone surfactant may increase soil penetration. This product can be added to the diluted mixture of Cambistat and water. Next, vigorously shake the diluted mixture. If your reservoir has a slow flow top or pouring spout, you're ready to apply. If not, transfer the mixture to the pouring vessel and begin application in the trench. Slowly and evenly pour the Cambistat into the trench at the base of the tree. Once you have made it all the way around the tree one time, the remaining solution needs to be evenly applied in the trench. Uneven application can result in uneven distribution and results. If there are many root flares, add additional water to prevent running out of solution before encircling the tree. Just be sure to use the amount of Cambistat listed on the rate card. If the application takes place on a slope, create small dams to prevent the product from running to the lowest point and causing uneven regulation. Trees on severe slopes must be treated with a soil injection technique. When the application is complete, use a small amount of water to rinse the pouring vessel and evenly pour this into the trench. When all the solution has soaked in, replace the soil to complete the application.